A timeline of Genesis trading halting crypto withdrawals. Genesis Global Capital, the cryptocurrency lending arm of Genesis Global Trading, has shut down withdrawals amidst the FTX and Alameda Research collapse. On a Wednesday morning call, Genesis Global Trading interim chief Diraris Lim said the firm is, quote, independently capitalized and remains operational. According to its Q3 report, it had $2.8 billion in active loans. Here's how it got to this point in the wake of crypto exchange FTX's collapse. November 9th, 2022, Genesis announced that it had a total loss of approximately $7 million across all counterparties, including Alameda Research. It emphasized that Genesis had no material exposure to FTX's native token, FTT, and no lending relationship with FTX. It did have a trading relationship with FTX, but insisted it would not have an impact. Protos reviewed Alameda's balance sheets from the end of June, as well as the over-the-counter trading wallet we believe is associated with Genesis. This wallet has previously done substantial volume in FTT. It contained a whopping 30 million FTT on June 11th, then sharply dropped to 300,000 FTT by June 20th. The number of these tokens began to decline until recently, when the wallet was empty of FTT. It contains 19,500 FTT, $36,000 at present time. The vast majority of these flows seem to end at an address that is believed to be the Alameda Research FTX deposit address. This suggests that Alameda Research and Genesis had a trading relationship involving large transactions in FTT. November 10th, Genesis announced that its derivatives business had approximately $175 million, which was locked on FTX. It emphasized that this would not affect its activities. November 11th, its parent company Digital Currency Group gave a $140 million equity infusion into Genesis, while emphasizing that, quote, the operation of our lending and trading business has not been impacted, end quote. It appears that Genesis was lying about its business not being impacted. Genesis halting withdrawals has also caused Gemini Earn, a product of crypto exchange Gemini that relied on Genesis, to follow suit. Lending platform Ledin, which previously relied on Genesis as a loan partner, has announced that it no longer has a relationship with Genesis, and that it has fully absorbed the impact of its loans to Alameda, as well as the impact of the assets it held on FTX. For more informed news, follow us on Twitter and Google News, or listen to our investigative podcast, Innovated Blockchain City.